Hello guys, today we're going to practice putting known variables into an equation which uses one or more of those variables. So usually when we approach an equation like this, A is an unknown and A can change between equations. But let's say we have a 2 or 3 step process to finding our answer, and higher up in our working we've found that A has a value of 5, for instance. We can then change A for 5 in our equations, okay? So let's practice doing that here. Let's rewrite this equation with A equaling 5. So we just copy it straight through. 15 plus 5 divided by 4, and we're going to bring our brackets down too. Okay, and now we can solve our equation. 15 plus 5 is 20, and 20 divided by 4 equals our answer, which is 5. Okay. Oh wow. Huh. So our answer was actually equal to A as well. Okay, let's try that with the second equation here. So this is, let's say this is still using the same variables. Normally, if A equals 5 over here, then the next time we use A, if it's not the same equation, then A could have any value. But in our questions here, we've got one set of values for the variables that we already know, and we're just practicing putting them in to the equation. Okay, so now we know A is 5 and B is 3. So A times B becomes 5 times 3, which is 15. Easy peasy. This time we've got 3 variables. So we've got A is 5, B is 3, and C is 10. So we'll do 10 multiplied by 10 in brackets divided by A, which we know is 5, minus B, which is 3. Okay, now we can start solving our equation. So 10 times 10 is 100 divided by 5 minus 3. 100 divided by 5 is 20 minus 3, which equals 17. Okay, so again, we're taking our known variables and plugging them into our equation. Next one. Oh, hang on. We don't know D, do we? So in this question, we're trying to find out the value of D. We do know A, though, because we've got our variables list up here for these questions. So D plus 5 equals 20, right? And then we need to get rid of 5, so we do D plus 5 minus 5 equals 20 minus 5. These guys just cancel each other out, so we can just kind of cross those off. So D equals 15. Hooray! All right, last one. This time we've got our unknown E. So E times 3 equals C plus A. C and A, we're still using these over here. So we've got A and C, that's E times 3 equals, oh, why did I copy that there? Well, let's substitute these for 10 plus 5. So E times 3 is 15. Now we need to get rid of our multiplied by 3. So we do E multiplied by 3 divided by 3. Or we can actually do it. It's more useful to think about that as a fraction. So e times 3 over 3, just take those out, equals 15 over 3, or 15 divided by 3. So e equals 5. Easy peasy, right?
Okay, and now we have to break the super secret spy code. So we're going to plug our answers in order down into our 5-letter word here and see what it spells, consulting our chart of letters to numbers. So first answer is 5. 5, where is 5? R. Then we've got 15. 15 is O. 3 is 17. Aha. T. Then 15. Oh, we did 15 already. That was an O. Ooh. Ah. Writing one-handed with a pencil. It's not easy. And then 5. Oh, that was an R. So our answer is rotor. And that's a clue for the thing. A rotor, a helicopter has a rotor at the top. Anywho, find the word in the questions I've set for you today using this chart to decode your answers. Okay?